बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. A little help. A traveler was walking on a thorny path. Suddenly, he slipped. A little boy came forward and helped him stand. The traveler smiled and said, "Even a little help is great in Allah's sight." Moral: kindness, even small, has great value. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.